Hi, I'm Morgan Feldman, Customer Success Manager at T1V, and today I'll be showing you how to connect to your student station. To connect, you'll want to use the T1V app, which is available to download from t1v.com/app. Once you've downloaded your app, you'll select Room to connect to your student station. You'll enter the room ID, which is a 8-letter code found on the right or left corner of your screen. And if your student station includes a password, you'll want to go ahead and enter the passcode. That's going to be a 4-digit code located under the room ID. Then select Join. You're now connected to your student station, so you'll be able to see any other screen shares that are connected here. To share your own screen, you'll go ahead and select the green Share button, and then you can select to share your entire screen, or you can select a window of content to share. Once you've selected your content, select Share. And now you're sharing your screen. Multiple students can connect and share their screen to a student station at once. You can toggle between single and quad mode with your own controls. And from the front of the room, the instructor can pull up your content at any time. So the instructor can view student stations and they can annotate on student stations as well. For more information, visit the T1V knowledge base at knowledge.t1v.com.